Section 22. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a vowel. The sound is E. E for egg. I want you to find the letter E on page 22 in your book. Page 22 looks like this. Say the sounds and words after me. E, E, E for elephant. Let's say it again. E for elephant. E for envelope. E for envelope. Let's read it. E for elephant. E for envelope. We are now going to practice writing the sound E. I want you to put your pointing finger on the first E on your worksheet. I am now going to show you how to write the sound E. We do a straight line and round and stop. I'm going to show you again. We do a straight line, round, up and down to the bottom. I want you to take your finger and trace the sound E. Now take a crayon and trace the letter E. Now that you have traced the first letter E, let's go to the second letter. Put your finger on the second letter. I'm now going to show you how to write the sound E. Straight line and round. I want you to trace the letter with your finger. Now please take a crayon and trace the second E. Now that you have traced the second letter E, let's go to the last E. Put your finger on the last E. I'm going to show you how to write the sound E. We go straight along, up, round, back down and up. I want you to trace the letter with your finger. Now take a crayon and trace the last E. Let's read it again. E for elephant. E for envelope. Now that you have practiced writing the sound E, see if you can write the letter on your own. Now that you have finished writing the letter E, you can color in the egg. E for egg. She eats an egg on toast for breakfast. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to classroom 1, section 23.